The Pontianak of Pinousuk Penampang. According to local legend, there used to be a bamboo grove at the edge of Pinousuk Penampang that nearby villagers avoided at night. Elders claimed it was haunted by a Pontianak, a vengeful female spirit believed to be the ghost of a woman who died while giving birth to her child. The story. Decades ago, there was a young woman named Soliha who lived in the nearby Kampung close to Pinousuk. She was known for her beauty and kindness. Soliha was married to a local man, but tragedy struck when she died suddenly while delivering her first child. Her baby survived, but Soliha's spirit was said to have remained restless. Some villagers believed she had been cursed or that her death was caused by black magic, locally known as hisun-hisun, done by one of her unsuccessful suitors. Soon after her burial, strange occurrences began. People walking by the bamboo grove late at night reported hearing a woman crying, sometimes followed by baby cries. Others claimed to have seen a white figure floating among the bamboo, with long black hair and blood-stained clothes. The bravest among the villagers recounted being chased by the ghost, especially young men who walked past the area alone. One man claimed he was riding his motorbike going home from the TAMU when the bike's engine suddenly stopped near the grove. As he tried to restart his bike, he felt icy cold fingers brush against his neck. When he turned, he saw a pale woman with red eyes grinning at him. He ran all the way home, leaving his bike behind. To this day, some locals claim the area around the bamboo grove still feels heavy of Angin Siram, a local term describing an area with a bad or eerie vibe. While the grove was eventually cut down and cleared, elders still warn children not to hang around there after sunset for fear of the return of Soliha's spirit. Why these stories matter? In Kadazan's belief, spirits of the dead known as Tombivo can linger if proper rites aren't performed. These tales serve not only to scare but also to preserve cultural practices, like proper burial rites and ancestral respect. They're part of the oral heritage that defines local identity in Penampang and other parts of Sabah.